Hello there everyone, in this video we're going to be unboxing the ZTE ZFive G. Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now. Alright, so here we have the front of the box, ZTE ZFive G 4G LTE. This one is from Family Mobile, from Walmart. It's run by T-Mobile. Here's a couple of these specs down here. Let's open it up. Here on this side, we're going to have some basic information on some of the Family Mobile plans. And there's going to be a link in the description down below if you want to buy this phone. So here we have the front of the phone. Here on the bottom of the box we're going to have some specs of the phone. 4G LTE, Android 7.0 Nugget, 5-inch touchscreen. Here on this side it supports a micro SD up to 32 gigabytes, etc. So here let's open up the box. I have to rip this open. Lift that up. And there we have it. And here we have the ZTE ZFive G. Here is the 2250 mAh lithium battery that it brings. Here is the back cover. Just a basic plastic back cover. And here we have the startup guide and the terms and conditions. Here we have the manuals and some other basic information here. Here we have the SIM card number. So it comes with a standard micro USB data cable. Here we have the micro USB plug, and here we have the wall adapter wall plug charger. So let's go ahead and place the battery into the phone and the back cover as well. Let's remove these plastics. It has one on the screen as well. So here on the front of the screen, we're going to have the front camera at the top and the ear speaker. Here on the bottom, we're going to have the home button and the two side buttons. Here we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, the charger port, and the microphone input. Here we're going to have a slight opening to remove the back cover. Here we're going to have the power button and the volume button rockers. And up here, we're going to have another microphone input. And on this side, we're just going to have a plain side with nothing on it. So here on the back, we're going to have the flash, the main camera, we have the ZTE logo here, and the track phone logo as well. And we have a small opening at the bottom for the loudspeaker. So let's power the phone on. ZTE logo here. Well, the phone's powered on. Let's go ahead and get it set up very quickly here. Alright, so we have the ZTE ZFive G set up here. Let's go ahead and play with it a little bit now. So let's check out the dial pad. Very nice size dial pad here for the ZTE. Let's check out the messages and the keyboard layout. Alright, so pretty basic keyboard here, as you can see. So the screen seems pretty fine. Not as fast as higher end smartphones, but seems pretty nice for a phone of this price. Here's the brightness on the screen. Let's go ahead and check out the camera here. So here we have the zoom. So it looks like it zooms in ×4. It has a couple filters here that it comes with for shots. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out what wallpapers this phone comes with. Let's go into the wallpaper gallery here. And let's check out the selection that comes with the ZTE ZFive G here. So a couple different nice wallpapers here to choose from. So if you enjoy wallpapers, ZTE definitely brings a lot of wallpapers to choose from. Let's go ahead and check out some specs here. So let's check out the storage. So this phone comes with 16 gigabytes of storage. It says 6.92 is already used up by the OS. Let's check out the memory. So it comes with 2 gigabytes of memory RAM, and looks like 483 megabytes are being used up by the stock apps and OS. Let's go go ahead and check out YouTube now. Let's play a video so that we can test the image and sound quality on the device. Let's play one of our videos. As far as I know, there is no way to do it yet. But in this video, I'm going to show you a couple other videos that are out there right now and show you why it is that they're just pure scam. So as we can see, it has a very nice speaker and video quality. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it helped you out. If it did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. So that's it for now. I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.